Hi friends, welcome to vigarocks. Today we are going to see domestic animals name in Hindi. For that it is हिंदी में पालतू जानवरों के नाम. Okay children, हिंदी में पालतू जानवरों के नाम. Come, let us start. First one is dog. For dog it is kutta in Hindi. Okay children, for dog it is kutta in Hindi. Next one is cow. For cow, it is गाय in Hindi. Okay, children. For cow, it is गाय in Hindi. Everyone should repeat after me. Okay, children. Next one is ox. For ox, it is bail in Hindi. For ox, it is bail in Hindi. Okay. And next one is buffalo. For buffalo, it is binds in Hindi. Okay. For buffalo, it is binds in Hindi. Okay, children. Next one is horse. For horse, it is goda in Hindi. For horse, it is goda in Hindi. Okay, children. Next animal is donkey. For donkey, it is gata in Hindi. For donkey, it is gata in Hindi. Okay, children. Next animal is goat. For goat, it is bakara in Hindi. For goat, it is bakara in Hindi. Okay, children. Next one is cat. For cat, it is billi in Hindi. For cat, it is billi in Hindi. Okay, children. Next one is rabbit. For rabbit, it is khargosh in Hindi. For rabbit, it is khargosh in Hindi. Okay, children. Next animal is pig. For pig, it is suar in Hindi. For pig, it is suar in Hindi. And the last one is sheep. For sheep, it is bed in Hindi. For sheep, it is bed in Hindi. Okay, children? Now, we will recall everything at once. Okay? For dog, it is kutta. For dog, it is kutta. For cow, it is गाय. For cow, it is गाय. For ox, it is बैल. For ox, it is बैल. For buffalo, it is binds. For buffalo, it is binds. For horse, it is goda. For horse, it is goda. For donkey, it is gata. For donkey, it is gata. For goat, it is bakara. For goat, it is bakara. For cat, it is billi. For cat, it is billi. For rabbit, it is khargosh. For rabbit, it is khargosh. For pig, it is suvar. For pig, it is suvar. For sheep, it is bed. For sheep, it is bed. If you like this video, please put thumbs up and share it to your friends also. If you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.